Hi, kindergarten. Today, during our number talks, we are going to work on creating equations to 10 and then writing the equation down. In order to warm up, we are going to go ahead and do a couple 10 frame. All right. How many dots are on? How many more dots do you need? 0 plus 10 equals 10. How many dots are on? You're right, 9 dots are on. 9 dots are on. How many more dots do we need? 1. 9 plus 1 equals 10. Great job. You can see that there's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 dots on. 1 dot is missing, so we know that if we have 9 dots and we add 1 more, that will give us 10. How many dots are on? 4 dots are on. How many more dots do we need? 6. 4 plus 6 equals 10. Couple more to warm up. How many dots are on? 7. If 7 dots are on, how many more dots do we need? You're right, 3. 7 plus 3 equals 10. How many dots are on? If 5 dots are on, how many more dots do we need? 5 plus 5 equals 10. Great job. We're just doing a few to warm ourselves up to get ready for the 10 frame on our whiteboard. So, I have yellow dots and red dots. I will be putting some dots onto our 10 frame. You are going to identify how many dots are on. We will write that down, and we have to figure out how many more dots we need to add to the red dots to get to 10. We are finding sums to 10, so we've got to find the 2 add-ins. All right. How many dots are on? You're right. There are 3 dots on. Now, I need to find out how many more dots I need. And I know that those are the dots I'm going to add to this 3. So if I'm adding, what symbol do I need? You're right, the plus sign. So I'm going to go ahead and put the plus sign. How many yellow dots will we add to the red dots? You're right, 7. And a quick way to figure that out is I see, oh, this whole bottom row is empty. And I know that on the bottom row there are how many squares? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're right. So I don't have to count that. All I have to do is say 5, then count on. 6, 7. And I see that we need 7 more dots. Let's check this out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You are correct. We need 7 more dots. What does 3 plus 7 equal? Here's my equal symbol. Correct, 10. 10 is our sum. We are using a 10 frame. So we know that when all of the squares are filled, we know that there are 10 dots all together. Taking them off. Let's see. Erasing my equation. All right. How many dots are on? If you said 5, you are correct. I can see that the entire row on the top is filled. And if the entire row on the top is filled, you know that that is 5. You don't even have to take the time to count them. So we've got 5 red dots. We are adding yellow dots so that we can get to 10. How many yellow dots are we going to add? If you said 5, you are correct. I see that the whole entire bottom row needs some dots. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You are correct. So we had to add 5 yellow dots. When we add, we put the plus symbol and we add the 5 yellow dots. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Please read that with me. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Great work. All right, how many dots are on? You're correct. If you said 6, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 dots are on. So I'll go ahead and write the 6 for the red. How many more yellow dots do I need to add? 4. Well, let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice work. So we added 4 yellow dots to the 6 red dots. When we add, again, we put the plus symbol. 6 red dots plus 4 yellow dots equals, here's my equal symbol. What does 6 plus 4 equal? 10. We are using the 10 frame. The entire thing is filled up, so we know that that is 10. Please read the equation with me. 6 plus 4 equals 10. Nice work. How many dots? How many red dots are on? 1. Correct. So again, write the 1 for the 1 red dot. Now, we want to get to 10 because this is our 10 frame and we are trying to fill the whole thing up today. So my question is, how many more yellow dots do we need? If you said 9, nice job. Let's check to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Nice work. So we've got 1 red dot. We added, better put the plus sign, 9 yellow dots. What does 1 plus 9 equal? 10. Nice work. Let's read the equation together. 1 plus 9 equals 10. Great job. We're going to do one more equation. Thank you for your patience as I put our red dots on. All right. How many red dots are on? If you said 10, great job. Let's count. Now, we know that there are how many dots in the top row? 5. We know how many dots are on the bottom row? 5. So let's count by 5s. 5, 10. Great job. We can also count it individually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 red dots. Now, how many more yellow dots do I need in order to have 10? If you said 0, you're correct. All the spots are taken. We don't need any more yellow dots. So, when we go to add the yellow dots, add plus, we will write 0. 0 yellow dots are needed. What does 10 plus 0 equal? 10. Nice job. Let's go ahead and read that equation together. 10 plus 0 equals 10. Nice job today doing our number talks. I can't wait for our next number talks. See you all later. Bye.